Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Facebook. So first open up your Facebook app as you can see on your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right or your profile picture at the top right. Then here you just need to tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. And then here under the settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down until you find your activity. Now here tap on activity log, and then here on activity log scroll down until the bottom and tap on log information. Now right here, if you tap that drop down menu, it will show up the search history of your searches on Facebook. So tap on manage search, and then right here actually you can now see all the pages that you visited or search on Facebook. Now if you want to delete some search on Facebook, just tap that filters and tap these categories and just choose this your search history. Now you can also delete this one by one. Just tap these three dots at the right side of that search page or search items on this Facebook, and then you'll find delete and tap again this delete to confirm your action. Or if you want to delete all the search history in your Facebook, you just tap this clear searches. So all the search history will be deleted in Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.